Chatham Comfort Controls, Heating and Air Conditioning, your Chicagoland authorized American Standard dealer, your Chicagoland authorized Dunkirk dealer. A+ rated with the BBB, multiple years of complaint-free awards, over 175 to 225 installs every year. What you're looking at today, people, was the removal of a Peerless 280,000 BTU Steam Boiler with the installation of a Dunkirk PSB-8D 262,500 BTU Steam Boiler. As we pan right, you're going to be looking at the primary piping, the secondary piping, and the Federal Hartford loop. All jobs are piped to code. All piping is done on site by the company. That way it guarantees you maximum comfort and longevity in your boiler. You can reach us at 773-842-4299, South Suburbs, 708-674-6313. You can find us online. Type in Chatham Comfort Controls into your browser. We're going to pop up many places. Or you can visit directly at our website, chathamcomfortcontrols.com, or our short version, ccc-hvac.com.
Ms. Wallace, how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Good.
Tell me, how did you hear about Chatham Comfort Controls?
I went online and looked up boilers, and it came up. And I called, and they were very forward as far as coming in and taking a look at my system to make sure that I get the correct one to replace the old one I had.
Okay, would you say that they did an excellent job?
I would say they did an excellent job.
Were they knowledgeable and professional?
Yes, they were. They came in on a Saturday. They disconnected everything, cleaned it up, put it all out of the way so I wouldn't fall over it or anybody else. And they were in Monday morning to remove the rest of the debris and brought in the new one. I inspected it, made sure that it was encased in its casing, and they came and installed it took probably about maybe 5 hours, and now I have heat. I have been without heat since December 20th, and so now I'm very happy.
Excellent. Would you recommend Chatham Comfort Controls to family and friends?
I would, yes.
Thank you.